I issued a notice to cease and desist on April 17th. The notice to cease and desist was clear as to the reasons for it. We held open the opportunity to move from an unlawful contract to a contract. There's no requirement for further notice. We're moving on.
Attorney General Ed Buckingham says he was prepared to put his stamp of approval on a revised contract with ICS, but since last Wednesday's meeting with ICS's Dan Cochran, he says things have changed.
Now, I think part of that trust would seem to be breached by someone who's not delivering things when they say they're going to deliver them.
During a meeting in the AG's office on Wednesday, May 7th, Cochran promised to deliver specific items to the AG, but failed to do so. In fact, to this day, Buckingham says he still has not received the required deliverables from ICS in order to move the contract through. And since then, Buckingham has become aware that ICS has been paid nearly $40,000 for assessment and travel.
I respect that people are expressing concern about medical supplies and critical ingredients. I think that then there's a question of priorities. When we have someone who is in an unlawful status, who does not have a legitimate contract, paying that entity $2,100 a day, paying that entity nearly $40,000 without a lawful contract, raises serious questions. I will not sign the ICS contract.
Furthermore, Buckingham was told by ICS and CHC's CEO Wamba Bauta they were paid in the neighborhood of $10,000 for travel.
When someone is asked a direct question by me, what payments, if any, have you received? I got an answer. Oh, $10,000, okay? Now, that answer wasn't true. We have in good faith done that, but good faith is a two-way street.
Buckingham says his office is planning to launch an investigation into the payments made to ICS. He also says the governor is taking steps to address the issue with CHC, but wouldn't go into detail. KSPN was unable to get a comment from the governor's office.